everyone, myself Shweta Agrawal. Today we are discuss about the trigonometry. Trigonometry consists of three words, that is tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means sided, metron means measurement. It means that trigonometry is the measurement of three-sided of a triangle. We can also say that trigonometry is the study of relationship of sides and angles of a triangle. Now we are discuss about the usage of trigonometry in real life. Trigonometry is used to find the height of a building, a mountain or a tower. And it's also used in Google Maps, in constructions, in architecture and many more. Now we are moving on our next topic, trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios, we are take a right angle triangle ABC in which V is the right angle whose opposite side is hypotenuse and A and C are the acute angle of this triangle. AC, that is called hypotenuse, are also the largest side of this triangle. In this triangle, we take C as an angle theta and its opposite side AB is called opposite and its side BC becomes called adjacent side. In the similar triangle, ABC is also a right triangle in which B is a right angle whose opposite side is hypotenuse and angle A and C are also acute angles. In this triangle, we take A as angle theta whose opposite side BC are called opposite and AB becomes adjacent. In the previous triangle, we are taking angle C as a theta and in this triangle we take angle A as angle theta. In both triangles, when we take angle C as theta, the opposite side and adjacent side are interchanged, but the hypotenuse remains unchanged. Now we are discussing about the trigonometric ratios. In the trigonometric, there are 6 ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. In this, sine theta equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. All of these ratios are written here are from this triangle. Cos theta equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta is nothing but the ratio of opposite and adjacent sides. That is, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is the BC. Now cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, that is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. Sec theta is nothing, it is also the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta, sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC. Now cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is adjacent upon opposite side. Adjacent is BC and opposite is AB. Now we are move on our next topic, that is trigonometric identities. We have 3 trigonometric identities. Number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Number 2, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. And last one is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. In this video, we are covering the introduction of trigonometry, uses of trigonometry in our daily life, and its trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities, which are used in our solve the trigonometric problems.
बोलो।
Thank you.